Hi there. Now I'm going to show you how to calculate sales commission using VLOOKUP. End of this video, you will find this video save your time on your routine work. Let's start. This is the table which I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP function to calculate sales commission. The first table is showing sales commission rates by range of sales. The second table is showing the salesperson's name and their total sales for the month. Now we're going to set up VLOOKUP formula in cell D12. This formula will help to find out the commission rate based on the sales. Start with equal sign. Type VLOOKUP. Open bracket. Select value. In this case, C13 is the value to look up. Comma. Select table array. Highlight the table array and press the F4 key to lock the range. Now the table range locked by $sign. The table range won't change when later we drag down the formula to other cell. Followed by comma. Then, insert the right parameter for column index number. Column 1, column 2 and column 3. In this case, we look up data from column 3. So, type 3, comma. Type true. Closed bracket. Enter. Just now, we typed true in formula. The reason is parameter of true means that a close match will be returned. In this case, formula not able to find the exact match. Therefore, we type true for formula find the close match and returned. Lastly, now let me drag down the formula. That's it. Hope this video suits you well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more.